Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, overnight prices are lower, led by beans. Yesterday we went up on talk about increased demand for beans because of logistics problems in South America. But overnight the USDA raised the crop ratings in the beans, and so I think the market has taken a step back there. Overall, we're still around 1290, 1293 in the nearby beans, and I still think the market feels that the path of least resistance between now and the November 8th report might be a little bit higher to reflect this increase in demand. The two previous times that the USDA rated the soybean crop this late, this high, we had record yields. And so the previous record yield is 44 bushels per acre. So we'll have to see if a higher crop offsets this higher demand or not. Over in the corn, we're just down a penny. We're still stuck in this 440 range in D's corn. Market's disappointed, especially the bears, that we're not going any lower because of the talk of the big crop, but the farmer's not selling. And the government said basically the harvest is about 39% done, and we still have a big chunk of the crop ahead of us. Now, the only time, the three previous times that the corn crop has been rated higher than this, where we are now, all 3 years we had record corn yields, and so that's something that's going to be in the back of the mind. Number one, how big is the corn crop? Number two is will the farmer sell the crop? Right now it looks like everything is going into storage, at least initially. The USDA had a data meeting yesterday here in Chicago. Two things came out of the meeting. First of all, the head of NASS, who does the crop reports, said that they've missed some data due to the shutdown, and they're going to try to do their best on November 8th to estimate the crop as close as where it possibly is. Secondly, the head of the World Outlook report said they're going to still put out the reports during the trading session, even though there's talk that maybe some of these high-frequency trading machines have a little bit of an edge in getting the number a little bit more or earlier than the public. All in all, we're down. I think that the markets are going to try to chop around here for a while, trying to get a feel for where prices should be based on the fundamentals. From a weather standpoint, U.S. should be cool, off and on, maybe a little bit of showers, but overall a good harvest weather forecast. The USDA rated the 2014 winter wheat crop the best since 2008, so you can tell about the weather conditions here. Down in South America, Brazil's okay, but Argentina's starting to dry out, so we're going to have to watch that kind of closer to see if that has the impact on their soybean crop. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.